Innovation. Excellence. Epilog. In 1988, Epilog innovation revolutionized an industry. And since our introduction of the very first computerized laser engraver, Epilog has been known throughout the world as the leader in CO2 laser engraving technology. Affordable, easy to use, exceptionally versatile, with Epilog laser systems, our customers have transformed their businesses in ways they never thought possible. At Epilog Laser, we're always at the forefront of innovation, producing a broad product line for our varied customers. And our Epilog laser systems have earned a reputation for being the most reliable, productive, and profitable investments our customers have ever made. As one of our first customers always says, my Epilog laser does everything but print money. Innovation. Excellence. Epilog.